Okay, now I'm going to show you an example of a reference parameter. The normal parameter when you call a function or procedure is a value parameter. So with a value parameter, you only copy over the value to your function or your procedure. And with a reference parameter, you are actually referring to the original memory allocation, which means that you are referring back to the original value. So if you change something like I did over here, I sort an array, it will sort the original array. So it's not going to make a duplicate one and then going to sort a duplicate array. Okay. So I started off by declaring a new type. I called it C array and I said it's going to look like this. It's going to have 4 spaces available of the type real. And then I declared an array, and I told Delphi that he should declare it as a T array. So Delphi will check and go up and see that T array is actually like this. So it will be the same as when you did this. Okay. Then I created a procedure sort. I made it a reference parameter by adding the var in front of my parameter. I said array new, so type T array. So Delphi will have to go check again, sees T array, oh it looks like this. And then the actual coding to sort the array. So I also have a function over here, add VAT, which will add 14% and send that back. And to get the original values into my array, I loaded it from a text file and I added it one by one into my array. So when I click on button 2, it's going to clear my breach edit and it's going to add the 14%, because over here I'm calling the function add VAT, so it's sending my original array over and it will add the 14% of the VAT and then send it back into my new array, the new value, and the new value will be displayed in the reach edit. Under button 3 click, I call the sort procedure. I send over my array that I declared globally over here with the values already in. So it will be sent over as a parameter, but remember it's a reference parameter, so it will refer back to the original values. So when I sort it over here, I am actually sorting array numbers, the values of array numbers, not the duplicate values. So let me just show you the output of this program. Okay, so over here I'm loading in everything, adding VAT. Okay, to add the VAT, it will call this procedure over here, add VAT, and then display it one by one. To sort, clear it again, call the procedure, sort everything inside that array, and then when it jumps back to the button 3 click procedure, it will display everything from 1 to 4 again. Okay. Like you see, it is actually sorting it correctly, but if I change this reference parameter back to the default value parameter, it's not going to sort everything for me. It's actually still calling that sort procedure. It's still calling it over here, but it's sending duplicate values over to your sort procedure. So it's still taking my original value, sending it over, then it's sorting this array, this new array. It's only sorting the values of this new array. So when I go back over here and I display the values of array number, it will not be sorted. Okay, so I want it to be a reference parameter because I want it to refer back to these values. Okay, so it has to refer back to the original array's values. So we must add the var in front. And when I sort it now, it should actually sort it. Okay. Because it refers back to the original values and it's actually sorting the original values.